Welcome! In this demo video, we'll explore how to perform a quick drill down of the balance sheet and income statement in Excel for Vista by Viewpoint. Let's get started. In this video, we're going to take the GL workbook we've created one step further. Currently, when we need a balance sheet or an income statement type trial balance view, we have to go into the account type and select multiple filters. This can be more work than we'd like. To streamline the process, we'll aggregate these into headings for balance sheet and income statement information. To begin, we'll create a new tab and input our required fields. Next, to merge this with the GL details table, we'll need to convert it into a table. We'll do this by highlighting the data and pressing Ctrl-T. This will bring up a box to confirm our data selection. Select Include Headers in the table, then click OK. The data is now a table ready to be merged with our GL Details tab. We'll proceed by going to the Data tab and selecting from Table/Range. This will allow us to access the information and join it with the GL Details table. We'll navigate to GLDT, select Merge Queries, and Merge Queries again. We can see GLDT at the top and can select Table 2 in the drop-down. We'll identify the common columns between these two tables, GL Account Type and Account Type. If a privacy warning appears when joining information from different data sources, we can simply acknowledge it and proceed by clicking Save. With all rows matched, we'll click OK. The table has now been added to the right. We'll click the icon to select the specific information we want to include. Since we already have account type, we'll bring in account description and fin type. In this case, there's no need to use the original column names as prefixes, as there's no risk of duplicates. So we'll deselect that option and click OK. We'll then move these columns next to the account type. Next, we'll close and load the data. Select Create the connection for this table and click OK. Returning to our pivot table, we see account type description and fin type are now available. We can remove the account type as it's no longer needed and bring in fin type and account description. If we want to view an income statement, we can simply select fin type and choose income statement. This will display all income statement information. Thank you for watching. For further information or to see some of the exciting solutions we're working on, use the link in the description or reach out to us using the contact details provided.